Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, everybody? Nasdaq at 377, a little bit above VWAP. Market opening in 14.5 minutes. Yesterday's close down there in like the 342 area. Kind of just went sideways overnight. Nothing crazy, no news this morning. There's yesterday's close up there, 343. Did you guys trade with a screaming baby in the background? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do it though? I don't know. I don't know if you could do it. We're doing it though. We're doing it. Got the 1 minute chart open here. No news. No news really. Log going. Good morning, APEC. October 16th. At the Nasdaq opening here in about 12 minutes. 12 more minutes. That baby don't know what. Yeah. As I took a big dump yesterday. Look at that. An hourly. We Bought some shorts yesterday. Had a nice green day. And Q15. Whoa. Eggs just went flying. Looking at this week's P&L, we are up $900. 88% win rate. Doing pretty well. What the heck? What's that? That's good. We're trading with Apex. Fast payouts, baby. Market opening in 5 minutes. Obviously, no trades yet on today's P&L. This week, though, we are in the green, baby. In the green. Doing it on YouTube. Damn. All right, market opening in 30 seconds. Gonna wait for our first 15 minutes to come and go. Usually give it about 30 minutes before we place our first trade. Nice and patient. Market's open. Nasdaq pushing down a little bit here at market open. Through pre-market low. Through the pre-market low. Here's another 10 points, 15 points below pre-market low. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Obviously, if you got short, that would have been nice. Would have been done for the day. You know? Bless you. Bless you. Yeah. Mr. Baby struggling this morning. Not sure what's going on. He's fed. Diaper change. He got his toys, his cartoons. Yeah. We'll come back up to that 21 EMA maybe. Maybe we'll come back up to that 21 EMA now for the next couple minutes. Kind of bear flagging on the 1 minute. Bear flagging on that 1 minute. I don't know. What's wrong, dude? Usually you're not like this in the morning. Ooh. But we're going to be patient, wait for the first 15 minutes. We usually don't take trades inside the first 15 minutes. You ain't tricking me. And even if it just keeps dropping, that's fine. Like, it is what it is. See what happens this morning. Yeah, he just called it out. I mean, I don't know. Well, even if I missed it, I'm sticking to my discipline and my plan, which is we wait for that first 15 minutes. But, you know, the idea on this is that maybe we would have got short here, 306, 10 points. We didn't quite get 20 points. That would be down here. See if we get 20. Oh. Dang. Dang. Well, if we would have got in at like 306, out at 86, there's 20 points on that bear flag. You usually aren't trading this early. Uh-huh. I think Pat's short. I think he's short. He probably took a trade there. Oh. So the impatient. Halfway through the 15-minute opening range. I knew it. I knew he was going to trade. I knew it. I'm waiting, though. I guess that was a nice break right there, kind of. That was a nice break right there. We already had that, like, heavy swing down. Tried to push back up. It failed. It kind of broke out below here, and then you could have got short right in here. 5 minutes ago. I usually don't take trades 4 minutes after the market opens. So it's not something we normally do. But she's a ripping. Bears and Bulls fighting right there. Yeah. Yeah, could have got in for sure here, probably. That's all right. You said 300 break. That would have been like here. That'd have been like right here, pushed up, and then started going down. It's like, okay, so you short it here. Yep, that'd have been a good spot right there. It's all good. Now we just wait for our next setup. Nice little short right there, though. Man, we got in at 306 and went all the way down to 268. Three minutes left in the 15-minute opening range. Got a 90-point range right now. That 90-point range right now. Didn't really bull flag or bear flag on the 2 minute, just bear flagged on the 1 minute right here. So yeah, we would have entered here and had our stop like right here. Bear flagging again. Kind of bear flagging again. Still going to be patient and wait until after 10 a.m. But there she goes again, kind of. I don't know. Should be 20 points down here from that entry. Oh my gosh. She's just ripping, dude. There's another bear flag. Another little good spot to enter. It was right here. Oh my gosh. That was a nice little bear flag. Well, it is what it is. High 357.25. That's crazy. It's still just dropping. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. I was gonna get in like here. 30 points. Man. Well, two beautiful bear flags and the first 15 minutes. We're just sticking to our discipline though. Maybe in the future we'll take trades like that. I felt like I should have pulled the trigger right here. Man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man. Look at that, dude. Market just pushing down at open there. Do we get another bear flag?
Merry Christmas? It doesn't even rhyme. I had to make it rhyme.
I'm gonna try a little bit of a short here. See if we can get that. We got that pivot point down there at the 177 area. So see if we can get this push on out 20 points to the downside. In there short at the 43s. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's get that push on out and down. Keep it coming on down. Keep it coming on down. There we go. There we go. There we go. Pushing on down. Pushing on down. Pushing on down. Gonna move our stop into the green here just a little bit there. Keep on pushing on down. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Get that break of structure. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep it going down. Keep it going down. Can we get it? Can we get filled? There we go. Getting filled. getting filled. They're little.
Merry Christmas.
There we go. First W on the board. Oh man, if it starts reversing now, like what a freaking trade. What a trade. 10-point stop loss. I almost did a 1 to 2 there. I don't know why we didn't get a 1 to 2. For some reason that trade only made that's $600. No, that was a 1 to 2. That's after fees, 584. Boom. Good. Nice little win there. We missed the first 2 bear flags, got in on this one. So maybe we'll take one more trade for the day, just a small little win. Being real patient now, no rush, and then be done for the day. Look at all those bear flags on the 1 minute. Boom, boom, boom. That trade played out perfectly for us. Like started coming back up like right at our TP. We got out at 23 and only pushed down to 19. I don't know. Should we just be one and done? Do we take another trade? That's the big question now. You know, locking in $600+ days now. I don't know. Do we just be one and done? Come back tomorrow? Oh, wow. Whoa. S&P. Down. You have this pivot point down here at 177. Not really bear flag in here though, just kind of like bottomed out maybe. Whew, I'm happy that trade played out the way that just did because we missed these two. Like I should have had the balls to pull the trigger on this one. We probably could have made even more money, maybe like $700-800 on the trade, and then we definitely would have been done. It's like I don't know. Oh no. We're at one trade for the day. $600. What? I know you ate. You had to change diaper. You got cartoons. You got toys. We're gonna go for a walk. It's a little cold out today, so I'm gonna wait for it to warm up a little bit. We went down into the 40s overnight here. Our low's only 70 degrees today on the high for the temperature here in East Texas. 51 degrees out right now. It's 9 a.m. almost Central Time here. All sunny today, but it was a little windy last night. 1 in the morning, the wind actually woke me up. I saw my pine trees that are like 100 feet tall just going like this outside the RV window, and I'm like, man, I cut 4 of them down, but I still got 4 tall ones around the RV. And if one of those fell on the RV, that would be terrible. So we got to cut those other 4 down too. I'm going to do that shortly here. Got to get some money together so I can give it to my neighbor. He turns them into 2x4s for me. But that'll probably be like $600 to turn 4 pine trees into 2x4s because it produces a lot of wood. We got a lot of windy right now. We had like 35-mile-per-hour gusts. Speaking of the wind, there it goes right now. Hear the awnings just making noise. What is that? Is that the wind? It's windy out. I know. What is that? Is the market going to go lower? I don't know. Look at that pivot point down there. Man, do we just finish the day before 9 a.m. Central Time? That'd be funny. Usually I'm about to take a trade in a little bit. But the market just gave us a lot of good opportunities like in the first 15 minutes. We got one of them. You know, kind of, I don't want to say I got lucky here, but I'm happy that happened. Obviously, it's always good to get a win, but these were the real breakouts. These 2 right here. Then we caught this wave right here, though. It says $400 here, but it was 600 though, because then there was another one that was 200. Because it took out 10, but then it had to have taken out 5. It did 2 separate trades. We got filled twice, like at the same time, but it says 400 and 200, $600. But on the chart here, when you put your mouse over it, it just shows the one trade for whatever reason. I thought I only sold 10 contracts because it said buy 10, but I had to have bought 5 as well. But this was the nice trade. If we would have entered like right here at the 77s, market pushed all the way down to 28. Like that's a huge drop right here. We had another one right here. We could have entered at like the 305s, get that 300 break, came down to 270. This one was beautiful though. 77 to 28. I don't know. I'm not that good at math, but 77 minus 28, that's almost 50 points. Yeah, that was a beautiful breakout right here. Now we're just kind of ranging sideways. You got that 21 EMA at 246. You know, I don't know. Do we just call it a day? Do we risk taking another trade when we meet 600? Mr. Baby doesn't like that idea. I think he's saying call it a day. He might be saying call it a day. He calmed down after I said we'll call it a day. I feel like he's in a good indicator. Seriously. Like anytime he started getting like that was when I was thinking about entering into a trade and it would have been a bad trade. Or when I start saying or thinking something, like he'll start getting like that. And it's almost like an indicator. I don't know, man. It's the baby indicator. How awesome is that? So we had 1, 2, 3 trades right here. It counts at 51,232. So We just got to get it to 52,600 to get our payout. And we're already at the amount of trading days, so it's literally just whenever we get there. And Apex just created a new rule. Instead of 10 trading days, now you only need 8 trading days to get a payout. And there's no more pay periods. You can just request the money whenever you're at 8 days and at the profit target. So profit target's 52,600. We're at 51,232. Another 1368 to go. You know, 2 $600 winning trades puts us at only needing $168 after that. You know, I think we can do this by the end of the week here. I think we might just close it down. I'm gonna call my father, see what he says. Do we close it down or do we wait for another setup? I say maybe we close it down. He's gonna say, "What do you think?" Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. We're agreeing for the day. You're live on YouTube. One trade, we're $600 win, and the question is, do we close it down or do we wait for one more trade? I don't know. I think we close it down maybe.
I think we close it down too because we also have to keep in mind of our percentages. We don't want to overgain. 600 is our target.
Yeah.
We've hit our target. There's no reason to send any more ammunition downrange and risk. You know, we've hit our target. I mean, if you're a sniper and you hit your target, pack it up.
Yeah. All right. We're going to close it down early before 9 a.m. We took that trade in the 15-minute opening range, actually. Or, excuse me, 4 minutes after the 15-minute opening range. The market pushed down heavy, gave us multiple bear flags that we could have taken in, but we were patient, waited for the 15 minutes, and we got one more bear flag, took it, made $600, and we're going to close it down and go home. That we got to finish a little early today. It's cold down here in East Texas in the 40 degrees. But we got our flannel on. It's flannel weather, and we're going to go for a little walk with Mr. Baby and enjoy the rest of our day. And then tomorrow's Thursday.
Yeah.
But I appreciate your wisdom and help in making that decision to close it down. You're right. We hit a 1-2. We hit a winning trade. We hit our target. You know, no sense in trying to add some more. And then tomorrow we do it again.
That's it.
All righty. I love you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.
I love you too. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys. That's it. We're gonna close it down early today. I hope you guys learned something. That was a quick and easy morning. Nasdaq pushing down to open, created a couple bear flags. As you can see, this is how I draw it out on the 1 minute. We got the 21 EMA is this blue line here. We got in short right here at 243, jumped out at 223, grabbed our 20 points, $600. You know, that's it. That's pretty much it. This week we're at $1,479 now. So peace and love, y'all. I'll see you on the next one. We'll see you tomorrow. Later.